Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput. Today's session name is in isolation of antibiotic producing microbes from soil. Soil is a major reservoir of microorganisms that produce antibiotic. Consider that soil is have involved over the ions to develop ways of inhibiting their neighbor for benefits. Generally, in our soil, we have isolated Bacillus and Streptomyces, which is a fungal genera, belongs to penicillin and some bacteria. In this further practical, we have using some material which is in first session a bottle of NaCl, some spatula, screw test tubes, glycerol, yeast agar plates, glass plastic spreads. In second session, we have required liquefied TSA, Vortex mixer, 1 ml pipette, 45 to 55 degrees temperature, a water bath and broth culture of Streptococcus epidermis and E. coli. The procedure in first session: bring a specimen of soil from any location and weight up to 1 gram of soil. Obtain 4 plates of appropriate agar medium depending on whether your group is searching for bacteria or fungi. Label this plate 1 upon 103 through 1 upon 106. Set up series of 1 is to 10 dilution. Place 6 test tube into a rake and fill each with 9 ml of 0.9 NaCl solution. Then shake it well. Then let the soil particles settle after shaking. Then transfer 1 ml solution into the tube second. Then further we have done this process up to 10 dilution. Then repeat this process and shake it properly, and then place this 1 is to 103 dilation up to the appropriate agar. In second session, we are using a calculate the CFU's cell count for 1 gram of soil. Incubated into 2 liquidified TSA dips. Then further mix each test tube properly. Then pour the entire content into the Petri dish. Slowly swirl dishes and make sure the liquefied agar is spread properly. Then further, uh, from primary isolation, please choose a colony that look like in might be Bacillus and Streptomyces or a fungus you instruct. Then further we have choose uh, using first try incubating needles, pick up single colony, and further we are spreaded into the streak plague method technique and repeat this process up to 5 times. Then further in third session, we have examined the 2 plates for evidence for the inhibition of culture growth of E. coli, and we have isolated particular